This is good. This is really good. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do cremas. I am going to show you step by step how to make cremas. Today we are going to be using canned coconut milk, not the actual coconut itself, but maybe next time I will show you how to do it with the coconut itself. But today we are going to use the milk, coconut milk in the cans. Okay, so it's easy but so good. All right, let's get started. Below which one of the trees was your favorite. Remember, Alright you guys, here are what you are going to need to prepare the cremas. We're gonna need a lemon squeezer, okay, a zester, a can opener, because as you can see we have a lot of cans to open. We need lemon, okay, alcohol or barbecue or any type of white rum will work. We need vanilla, but I use this just a little bit and I add anise extract to it just to complement both. We need condensed milk, coconut milk, evaporated milk, measurements to measure the ingredients. We need bay leaves. This is optional. I add it, but you don't have to. Cinnamon sticks. This is nutmeg. I just want to show you what it looks like. If you can't find this, you can just ground this. This is the same. All right, and I think that's it. Before I start opening the cans, I wanted to mention something. Whenever you're using cans, whether it's a drink, whether it's whatever it is, please take a second to wash them, okay? I am really paranoid about this. I think I have mentioned it already in one of my videos, because I witnessed a young lady died because of poison found on top of a can. I don't know if it was a beer in a can, whatever it was. And somehow there was rats eat on it. She drank it. Drank? And she died. So please, whenever you're using cans, take a second and wash them. You can see mine are still wet. I washed all my cans. Please, I will be grateful for this. I love you. I don't want to lose you. Let's. Ok, donc pour traduction créole sous ça, comme je dis déjà dans la vidéo, bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur le channel moi. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons faire crémas. Mais crémas aujourd'hui, nous allons faire avec lait cocoyer qui dans canne. Donc c'est pas cocoyer frais que nous allons casser pour nous faire. Nous allons faire dans cocoyer avec lait cocoyer qui dans canne. Donc on t'y mention sous ça me se dit à propos de canne. N'importe le que n'a utilisé canne, que c'est en bière, que c'est la bouillie que nous-mêmes haïtiens nous gagnons canne, que c'est canne, petit pois, petit maïs, quel que soit canne, prends une seconde pour que nous lavions canne avant de l'utiliser. Pour qui ça? Parce que moi témoin de une jeune fille qui mourit à cause d'un poison que lui prend sous une canne. Jeune fille fini l'université, rentrée la caille, les parents a préparé une fête de bienvenue pour lui. Et puis dans fête là, les boit un bagage qui non canne, qui te gagné un pipi rat sous lui. Et puis demoiselle là mourit quelques jours après dans l'hôpital. Pas jamais oublier ça. Son bagage qui était tellement fait mal et depuis lors, c'est ça que fait on pas presque manger dehors. Faut que me rassurer que tout bagage que m'a mangé yo sain. OK? Donc c'est ça que me dit dans la première partie vidéo. Donc ça que m'a fait connaître après que me fin laver toute canette moi a ouvrir toute boîte yo. D'accord? Ouvrir, donc étape 1 c'est laver canette yo, s'il vous plaît. Après ça nous pral ouvrir. D'accord? All right you guys. I am going to use that big bin to mix everything. And I have learned that you don't mix cremas in any type of aluminum or stainless. It has to be plastic. Why? I don't know. That's how my mom used to do it, and that's how I have been using it since, and I think the way my mom did it was the best way, so I will keep doing it this way. All right, so first off, I am going to add all the coconut milk. As you saw in the previous clip, I shake all the cans before I open them. Okay, because it's a milk, we want everything to come out as it's supposed to be. All right. All right, you guys. I have all the milk in. So this is the result that you would have if you use the coconut. You would have blended or grated to extract the juice like this. Okay? But thank God we have the coconut milk just ready in cans for us. That's what I'm using. Alright. So I want to go ahead and mix it to make sure there is no grumeaux. I don't know how to say grumeaux in English. Okay. Make sure everything is well and smooth. Okay. And before I add the milks, I am going to add the cinnamon, the bay leaf. Okay. And usually I use this, I add this at the end because it's a powder. It doesn't take time to incorporate. Okay. And I will go ahead and zest the lemon. And if you don't have a zester, guys, just use a regular grater. It's okay. But this is more fine. Okay, so that's what I'm using. And I don't want to hear in the comment, oh, did you wash this? Yes, guys, everything was previously washed and prepped before I even started this video. Okay, you have to wash everything and your hands are clean. Please, I don't have to keep repeating it all the time or every time. You know. Okay, so now I am going to add one more lemon zest. So that will be 4 lemon zest for 10 coconut milk, 12 condensed milk, and 10 carnation milk. Okay, 10 coconut milk, 12 condensed milk, 10 carnation milk, and 4 lemon zest, 1 tablespoon and a half of nutmeg, about 6 cinnamon sticks, and 4 to 5 bay leaves. All right. All right. Okay. Yes. So now I am going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Usually you would add the white essence, but I didn't find it, but I used this. I put 1 tablespoon of this. Okay, and then I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of anise extract. That's 1, 2, Come on. Oh my God. Yeah. All right. So now I am going to squeeze the lemons. Okay. And extract the juice, and I will be back. All right. All right, guys, we are back. Okay. I am going to add the alcohol. So I am going to add the alcohol. This is a 94% alcohol, so it's really strong. So I am going to add half of it. Okay, and that should be enough. Gonna mix. The smell of the alcohol is kicking. So Cremas is a party drink for us Haitian. Whenever there is a party, whenever there is a wedding, whenever there is an engagement, first communion, whatever it is, whenever there is cake, there is Cremas. Okay, guys? This is such a great drink. Okay, I'm gonna test. This is perfect. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of alcohol. Yeah, I'm gonna add more. Let's add a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so we add the alcohol first before adding the lemon juice. I was very nervous growing up when I saw my mom doing that, because I heard that lemon juice and milk don't go together, but somehow in this drink they are best friends. So this is the juice of my fall lemon that I'm adding. Okay, so the lemon, just thicken it, make it thicker, not thicker, but thicker. Thicken it. Not thicken, but thicken. Okay, it makes it thicker. And the aroma of the lemon is amazing in this. Look at that. See? All right. can make it thicker by adding more lemon juice if you want to, or by adding more condensed milk. Okay? Alright, so at this point I am going to cover. You see, it should be thick. This is good, guys. So at this point I'm going to cover it. Let it sit for about an hour, just for the sake of the video. But if you are preparing this, let it sit overnight, so all the spices can be well incorporated before you put it in a jar. Okay? And this doesn't have to go in the fridge. It doesn't have to. Okay? And yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, let this sit for about an hour, and then we will come back to the final.
Ok, donc yon ti récapitulation de ça qui s'est fait là. Pour commencer, nous mélanger toutes les tubes commençant par lait cocoé. Ensuite, nous ajouter lait condensé et par après, nous ajouter lait de carnation. Moi-même, moi pas ajouter sucre dans crémasse parce que le lait condensé est vraiment sucré. Donc, il n'est vraiment pas nécessaire pour moi-même ajouter sucre. Mais ou même, si vous aimez beaucoup plus sucré, ou capable d'ajouter sucre le ou fin mélanger toutes les tuyaux ensemble. Et par après, qui ça nous fait? Nous ajouter feuille belle, nous ajouter bâton de vanille. Ok, pas vanille, pardon, bâton de cannelle. Après cannelle, nous ajouter zeste citron et puis nous mettez alcool là. Après ça, nous ajouter jus citron. D'accord? Donc, nous allons que nous finissons ajouter jus citron, crémasse là devient beaucoup plus épais. D'accord? Donc, jus citron, il vraiment bon goût et puis il fait le vin épais. Donc, c'est rôle citron dans crémasse. Donc, c'est ça.
It's time.
Donc, étape finale, c'est couler crémasse. Nous capables d'utiliser
So I want to show you.
Ou bien nous capables d'utiliser
the consistency.
Yon passoire. Passoire que nous utilisons, c'est un passoire qui vraiment
consistency that you should have.
Donc, il pas quitter aucun maille passé.
It's really thick.
Il pas quitter aucun marité dans le masse.
Okay.
Toute bagaille absortie. D'accord? nous pas utiliser un passoire, tant qu'on passoire nous utiliser pour nous couler sauce quoi, mais on passoire qui fait pour jus que petite huile qui la donne vraiment fait. D'accord? Donc c'est ça. N'a point que na clip final là comment que Cremas là était vraiment épais. Et puis c'est ça. Donc je souhaite que nous t'ayons apprécié la vidéo ça. Et s'il vous plaît, si que nous t'ayons appris nos bagages, comme connaît, quittez un commentaire pour moi. Donc en train de parler.
That's it for today's video, guys.
Je souhaite que nous apprécions la vidéo
for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and please leave me a comment, guys. I need to read from you. Please leave me a comment. What would you do differently? Have you ever tried coconut milk in a can to do cremas? If you're Haitian, have you done it? To me, there is no difference. There's no difference. It's the same, right? The same, you get the same results. If you follow the steps, it's not running. It's really thick. The taste is the same. Everything is the same. So let me know. I hope you like this video. And have a great night. I'll see you on my next one.
Ou bien
Bye-bye.
ou blender avec yon lait carnation. Ok? Pas gen de l'eau du tout. Si vous ajoutez de l'eau, Cremas lan gâté. D'accord? Donc, je souhaite que nous t'ayons apprécié cette vidéo ça. Pas oublier abonner à la chaîne là. Et puis, n'a pas rencontrer dans la prochaine vidéo. Que bon Dieu bénisse nous. Bonne soirée, à bientôt. Bye bye.